You mentioned early in your trading career that it was an uphill battle. You didn't have a coach and a mentor. Like, how did you keep the noise down with emotion or routine and mindset? What were some of the things that you found were the biggest challenges and areas of opportunity for you to overcome when you got started?
As you say that, I'm thinking about the time I got sick. I got pneumonia really bad before I dropped out of college. I was trading overnight. I got class in the morning. I got friends and a girlfriend that I'm trying to maintain. And I got sick and I was in bed for like a full week. Like, pneumonia kicks your ass. That was the first thing that I always think back on is like, okay, that was the sign where I knew I was dropping out of school because I wanted to focus on trading and I loved trading and I hated school. And in that moment, I felt like if I make this decision, people are not going to support me leaving college. People are not going to like this. They're going to talk shit. And you know what it came back to? Now, this is a good question. You got me thinking. I got it. Gary Vee, bro. I watched so much Gary Vee before that point, and in that moment, he made me feel confident that I could leave, that I could college, I could eat shit, in Gary's words, in the short term, in the dirt, but live in the sky in seeing the future of it, and then eventually you'll actually get up there. And that was so I got my feet in the dirt, I'm constantly running. He calls it macro patience, big picture patience, micro speed. So I was taking all the L's I could in the beginning as fast as I could, take the learning curve as fast as I can, because in the bigger picture, it's gonna get me here. And I saw it. I didn't see this table in this room, you know what I'm saying? But I saw that that's what it could lead to. Keeping the noise down is not easy. Social media makes it hard. YouTube makes it hard because everyone thinks that they're an expert nowadays. It makes it harder for me to validate myself as an expert nowadays. And I think it just comes back to kind of what we were saying to Tyler about, like, you gotta find somebody that you align with their beliefs. And I feel like Bellafiore and the books that I read, like his book, One Good Trade, that book was I don't need anybody else on social media. I don't need anybody else. I need to find a system, build it, find it, whatever, test it, and then put money into it. Whatever else is going on YouTube and internet, social, this is money, this is the noise. So I think it was like working through that was what kind of showed me that the noise was just that, you know what I mean?
Sure.
But it took a low. I wouldn't say the lowest point in my life, like just pneumonia, but like, took a hit, and then I had to question what I was doing. Am I aligned with who I actually want to be? And then 19 or 20 years old, who is aligned with who they actually want to be? So, you have to be open to questioning yourself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Good question.
Be able to, be comfortable with the uncomfortable, right?
Yeah, and I mean, like, at that point, remember, this is back 6 years ago, almost 7 years now. Like, no one was making Forex videos on YouTube. No one was talking about Forex trading, especially in America. Maybe in the UK and in other countries it was still pop because it's always been popular, but not in America. Forex has blown up. Now, look at it. Of course, it's in hindsight, but look at it now. Everybody's working from home. I was trying to work from home years ago. Everybody's now a day trader. I've been day trading for 7 years. So in the blocking out of the noise, it actually put me ahead of the curve long term because I started hearing myself. And I don't know. If you ask Riley, like I am a grounded person. I don't live in the air. I don't live in a fiery rage. I don't live in a too flowy, like, just go with the flow. Like, I'm very confident and I hear my inner voice very, very clearly. Like, I know some people don't. And I never knew that before. And I think that inner voice is what kept me going. But who is that inner voice? Gary Vee, the books I read, the content I listen. I stopped talking to my dad for 2 years, basically, bro, because he was just giving me shit. And my dad's an attorney. He wants me to go to Penn and have a successful career like him and blah, blah, blah. Doesn't see that I can be successful without that. So cut you off, bro. Sorry. Like, I got to go lock in,